guy who likes cars is all fun and games until he expects you to ride around town in this stupid little toy. What is this? This isn't even... Is this legally allowed on the road?
Yeah.
What is this?
Holy shit!
Slow down, grab the wall, wiggle like you tryna make your roots fall off. Hella thick, I wanna smash them all now. Speed up, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal. And you already know me, S-A-G-E. Gas pedal, gas pedal. Black money, let them say amen. I'm just tryna make it clear, boy, Ray-Bans. I'm a great man, whoa, say friend. I play a whole late night DJ, amen. Room full of boppers, tell them give me topper. Beat it up, 911, hit the coppers. I'm S-A-G-E, who would like to know? B545, large, me and you through. West side, baby, do what you do. And you got tell what that shit do. It's pretty new, live, that's the way that I grow. I be stepping up in the club, they make it drop to my show. Her do man, cause I spoon. But I don't give a fork, silverware, new out if he acting up or a sport. Use that door, grab a girl and get a yank. Got a booty like coops, I'm tryna make it. Wow, slow down, grab the wall, wiggle like you tryna make your roots fall off. Hella thick, I wanna smash them all now. Speed up, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal now. Speed up, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal.
She a trick for $1 bill, and a boyfriend a call him Tyler Perry. I'm in the black bat looking scary. On my way to the cake, no bakery. Oops, bakery, never been no faking me. Lead her to the bathroom, she asks me where you taking me. Tell her slow down, baby. I'm too turned up, it's finna go down, baby. When you hit the stage, the people do a 180. When I hit the stage, man, the club wanna pay me. You know, so fugazi, got a white with me, call that hoe Slim Shady, The suit so crazy, got two hoes with me, make my old hate me, all about my payment. You say we getting money, that's an understatement,
Slow down, grab the wall, wiggle like you tryna make your roots fall off.
So I actually like it. It's a manual, 5-speed. This is the 2019 Slingshot, Polaris Slingshot, and it's really small. The space is really small. There's no real storage space. There's probably a little bit here behind the speaker, but that's about it. And yeah, I'm gonna test it out today and see where it goes. It drives really nice. I have to get used to it because although yeah, I do drive stick, but it's, you know, getting used to another stick is actually different. So what else? So to start it, you put the key in, you turn it one time, and then you press this button here, and that turns on the engine. Have a little bit of storage space here, and that's about it. These lights change. You have a remote that you can change the lights. It's like green, red, and blue. I think another color, purple, at nighttime. It's probably gonna look cool, so probably get some footage at night so too.
Are there airbags in here?
I don't know. Beach time, let's go.
Start to play.
Nintendo G6. Me a swing the me a back like a go-kart. Me we fuck a nigga bitch.
Downfall of the vehicle. I'm burning up in the sun. I'm here waiting at Walmart for my girl to buy something. The storage space, there's not really any storage space, so, and we're bringing stuff to the beach, so it's like I have to wait in the car because there's nowhere to really store it. There's no trunk, and the sun is blazing, and then, you know, and when it rains, guess what happens? There's no cover, unless you, I guess you get a cover, but yeah, everything in here will be wet, which is okay. You can just wipe down. There's nothing that's going to be damaged, so that's okay, I guess. So there doesn't seem to be any radio. The only way to pretty much play music is connecting to your phone, which is cool. The speakers are really loud, really loud. So these are the speakers right here, and they turn colors at nighttime. I'm reading this sign right here. It says, "This is a motorcycle. Always wear a DOT certified full face helmet. Failure to do so may result in serious or fatal injury. Vehicle not equipped with airbags."
Oh my god!
Always fasten seatbelts. Read owner's manual. Watch safety videos. Driver must be at least 16. It's a motorcycle with 3 wheels. I wouldn't mind getting one of these. It's nice. It's a little fun vehicle, like a weekend beach day. So I would see myself getting one. I think I was looking at prices the other day. There were some for like 25,000, 20,000, something like that. If I were to get this, I would just rent it out when I'm not using it, obviously, for people that would want to have this for a couple days, for a beach day or whatever. So I rented it for $115 a day. That's 115. So that's a decent price if I were to buy this and rent it out. So that's a good idea. I'll think about it. We'll see.
That guy soon blind when the shoes bite. Me no fire lose bite, boy I lose life. Broad here, blue skies. Me a swing the me a back like a go-kart. Me we fuck a nigga bitch, got my gold hard. You know a long man, reach out to me don't talk. So stop, no for put no self, look who all fat. On a nana money, should I shame? Why the fuck could never put in on a mummy name? 24K gold dark, come me chain. Glock 19, 30 clip, and know me fully safe.
Start to play.
Really, nigga?
You know what you are?
What am I?
The poppiest. Poppiest of all poppy shows.
No a long man, reach out to me don't talk. So stop, no for put no self, look who all fat. On a nana money, should I shame? Why the fuck could never put in on a mummy name? 24K gold dark, come me chain. Glock 19, 30 clip, and know me fully safe. Bust the head and bust the case, nothing make the killer scared. Me and make don't be afraid. Brownstone, you was so mistake. None of them are near me. Jump on one up. Princess, I swing for my hood like I'm up. Left a little man mad out. Don't compete with the boss and I flop out. So go and follow me up, so till I bomb up. Next level G6 man strong up. Bros get up in a boy head like Doshi. Me zero the game, cause the fuck of them lousy. Who say me too white? You right, move lies, you're too bright. Red guy soon blind when the shoes bite. Me no fire lose bite, boy I lose life. Broad here, blue sky, say me too white. You right, move lies, you're too bright. Red guy soon blind when the shoes bite. Me no fire lose bite, boy I lose life. Broad here, blue sky, fight bitch him. Din din them people better than your rhythm. Oh we go brother, tell them give away.
With my head again, you had your heart set on me, but these feels they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free.
Well, there you have it, guys. That was the Polaris Slingshot. It was really fun. I really enjoyed myself. We enjoyed it. I think, yeah, ending off the video. Catch you next week. Have a surprise. I'm not gonna say anything. Just know that there's something coming. Something awesome is coming. So don't forget to subscribe. You don't want to miss anything. Trust me. Anyway, see you. Peace.
staying up when